Hey, what's going on there, fellow delinquents? Mischief here, and I brought my Glock Model 45 out to the range today, and this is the Model 45 MOS. This one right here is the Glock 17 frame with the 19 dust cover, so it's a compact dust cover, and it takes the Glock 19 slide and barrel. Now, let's go ahead and shoot this a little bit. A little off today. So my rear side I actually have favoring a little bit to the right because Glocks, for some reason, I do shoot a little bit to the left. It's consistent enough to the point where I don't think it's me. I think it might just be how I'm looking at the sights or how the gun points for me. So I just do that because it corrects that little bit of that inch or two to the left that I'm shooting. But other than that, it's one of my favorite guns to shoot. The Glocks are known to be extremely reliable, and you don't really have to do a lot to get a really, really nice shooting pistol. All I did to this was I replaced the ghost connector. I put a ghost connector in there, which didn't really seem to do anything. I don't think I really got any benefit out of the new 3.5 pound ghost connector with as opposed to the OEM one. I also added this speed feed from C&H Precision. However, this is not what I wanted to talk about. I wanted to talk about this. I wanted to try the Radian Ramjet afterburner, and I wanted to put it on a Glock 17 slide, Glock 17 length slide, and put it on my 45 frame. So I was looking at the Glock Model 47. However, I didn't want to buy a whole entire new pistol. So I found this slide right here. So it's the Model 49 slide. So the 49 slide is the Glock 19 length grip with the Glock 17 length slide and barrel. And so I couldn't get the 47 slide, but I found a 49 slide for a really, really good price. And now I got a 47. So Model 45 frame with a Model 49 slide to make a Glock 47. Yeah, it's that confusing. But anyway, I wanted to talk about the Radian Ramjet. Let's go ahead and slap that on real quick. So fast that YouTube couldn't even keep track of it. So now I have a Model 47. It's still confusing, but it's hilarious. For this one right here, I also added the Radian Compressor. The Radian Compressor comes with different recoil springs. So this is the 13-pound spring. This is the 18-pound spring. And I got the 15-pound spring in there because that's what was recommended. Originally, I was not having very good luck with this compensator. So this compensator right here, it's not threaded on. You just slip it over, and then you put this little cross pin in there, and you thread in that little screw, and now you got a compensator that's nice and fixed on the end of the barrel. And so, anyway, I was not having very good luck with this with 115 grain. However, I brought out some Wolf. This is Wolf Brass 124 grain, and this is what I have been shooting today, and it seems to be running. So let's go ahead and throw some rounds downrange and see what happens. All right, load it up. Let's go. Okay, fired all 10 rounds, locked back, no problem. I was also, when I originally was shooting this setup, I had different sights. I had the Heine black front and rear suppressor height sights matched up with a Holosun 407C, and that right there, when I was shooting it, it was not feeding properly. So I decided that I wanted to try just making it all slick and just put some standard sights on it, and now it's running. I don't know. So anyway, let's go ahead and shoot it a little bit more and see if we can give it a proper review. My initial thoughts on the whole entire setup. So one nice thing about the Radian Ramjet is that it does conform to the slide of the Glock 17 and the Glock 19 so well. It's meant for Gen 5s only because it has this little like cut right in the front to allow it to holster much easier. So now it'll slip. This is a Glock 34 holster, and it just slides right in and clicks in nice. So you can use Glock holsters without needing to buy any special holsters for a compensator. I'm using the 15-pound compressor spring in there because that's what was recommended by a lot of other YouTubers. So let's go ahead and try this. We're at 5 yards, going to just do 5 rounds. Okay. See, those are 220. First shot was a 38. This coat, I'm not used to it being so high. 22, 21, 19. So we stuck a 19 in there. Down 1. So that was my first shot, and then it came back up and was favoring a little bit to the right, which is kind of weird. We'll do 5 reload plus 1. Reload was a little slow. Didn't lock back. Say 25. That was weird. That was a weird cadence. 25, 117, 22, 20, 19. 20. I don't know. I think something. I think something malfunctioned in my timer. Dropped 1. So on my presentation, it seemed fine. And then when I did my reload, as I came up and I fired my 1 round, it just, I didn't have a good front sight, and I think I threw it that one high. All right. 5 yards. How about let's do a headshot? All right. So 150 clean headshot. Threw it left. 137. Yeah, I tried running too fast. So what the hell happened here? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Huh. Not sure what happened here. Reload was a little slow. I don't know. I think something. I think something malfunctioned in my timer. Dropped 1. Okay. 157. Took it really slow, but I don't think I'm 5 yards. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, this is 5 yards right here. Okay. $152. All right. I'm floating around 150. Come on. $142. I actually took my time with that shot. I felt like I took my time with that shot. That was a 142. That was a perfect headshot too. I thought I was taking my time. I thought that was like a 160 or something. Ah, 139. I sped up and I didn't get a full grip, so there was a big gap right here in my hand. And when I pulled the gun, right there. So, no excuses. See, we got 3 more rounds. How about, let's do a Mozambique. How's that sound? Not locking back. That was a 2-second Mozambique. Which was a 139, 22, 39. 39 to get that headshot. It's a clean headshot. Alright. Well. That's the Glock 49 slide with the Radian Ramjet barrel on it. Some reason it's not locking back, and I don't know why. So let's go ahead and throw the Glock 45 slide on there and just see what happens. Alright, we got the Glock Model 45 on there, and let's go ahead and do this. Oh, my coke got hung up. Okay, 140 for the first shot is a 221, 22, 21, 21, and a 17. We stuck a 17 in there. Nice. Dropped one. Okay. All right. Let's do 5 shots. Reload 1. Okay. So it was a 139, a 23, a 19, a 19, a 20, 232 reload. Okay. And we're all down 0. We're all down 0. And I had a much faster reload. All right. Alright. Let's go for some headshots. Did not have a good sight picture on that, did I? Okay. That was not my impact. I'm gonna have to check the footage again. I did not have a good front sight, so I am not confident that I even hit. But there's no way I'd miss like that close. All right, let's run that again. That was a 139. Yeah, there's no way. There's no way. All right, there we go. I slowed down a bit. 154, perfect headshot. Oh, 140, I pulled it low and left. My front sight was definitely left, and I pulled it low. So, yeah. All right. All right. Go again. There we go. 131. 131. Right there. Right there. My coke got hung up. It's a 209. My coke got hung up on my on my gear. All right. How many more do we have? Let's do one more. Okay. That was 135. So 135, and did I miss? Huh. Starting to get too many holes, I can't even tell anymore. Thought that was clean. Alright, so I should have 3 rounds left. Let's go ahead and do a Mozambique. Failed to lock back. Yep. Yeah, I gotta stretch the springs out. So 194. First shot was... There's no way. Alright, so my total time was a 194, but there is no way. I think we're all in. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Those are the 3 initials. Yeah. So, I basically, I suck, but, yeah, it is what it is. But I definitely know I got my 2 body shots, and I'm pretty sure I got my headshot. And it was a sub 2 seconds for that. Not trying to get the fastest time in the world, I'm just trying to get my hits. So what's my final thoughts on the Radian Ramjet with the Glock 49 slide? To be perfectly honest, if you are an avid watcher of Ben Stoker, I think he also probably had the same opinion. It's just that the Radian Ramjet, it's cool. It does seem to function as intended. However, it does not really, it might not be worth the money for the performance that you're getting. And in my personal opinion, I think that I'm doing just as good or better with the Glock 45s, with the stock 45 slide. I don't know if this is actually doing anything for me, me personally, because I had to get the compressor, was it the guide rod and spring, in order to get a little bit better reliability out of it. And I shot somebody else's for the Glock 19, and it was okay, but it was also still malfunctioning on me once in a while. And honestly, I think I would be better off just going with the stock Glock 45 slide and barrel over this. I think it's a little bit of extra money for not really any performance for me. If it does help you, great. For me personally, I think I'm just going to stick with the 45 slide and barrel and just go from there. So yeah, that's basically all I got for you. So make sure you stay out of trouble. If you can't stay out of trouble, you didn't learn from me.